welcome to Wise Owl Words. And today we are going to be doing the compact column method. So, first we need to read out this sum, 15,236 plus 4,432. First we need to draw our columns. The tens of thousands, the thousands. Remember to split this up so you don't get muddled up. The hundreds, the tens, and the ones. Now you will write down our number. So 15,236. Now underneath it, you would write 0 in the tens of thousands, as there are no tens of thousands in 4,000. 4,000, aka 4, another 4, and then 3 and a 2. Now, you would draw a line to separate our answer from our numbers, and we would do 6 plus 2, which is 8, 3 plus 3, which is 6, 2 plus 4, which is another 6, 5 plus 4, which is 9, and 1 plus 0, which is 1. Now remember, always add from right to left, because you may have remainders and it may change it. So remember, not left to right, right to left. And we are